off the road, anjing goblok. Ah, what the fuck? Something just hit me in the shirt. I don't know, some like either a stick or some bug just smashed into my shirt. Would you like to live here?
No.
Why not?
It's too far. Yeah, but if I have my own family, I would love to live everywhere. I don't care.
Anjing fucking goblok.
So comfortable.
Yeah, I think that's parking, but I'm gonna park here instead. No, it's over there. Hello.
Why no people?
I don't know. Maybe I think people came from here earlier, but. I don't know how far of a walk it is. Is this the way down? Mm-hmm. This looks like someone's backyard. Welcome to my home.
It's not from here, though.
Yeah, I don't think so. Is it over there maybe?
Yeah, it's over there.
Oh yeah, I'm goblok.
Then I'm following you, Goblok.
I just start walking, I don't look. But you can see all the waterfalls, and so if this road, you can see every waterfall.
Yeah.
And just on this road. Can I take my own bike?
No.
I can't take my own bike? Okay.
Sini ya, ya. Nanti ada tunjuk dia apa?
Alright, just this one then.
Yeah.
How much?
40,000 for one, yeah.
So I think we need to But how it does that motorbike transport around 50K?
I think they take you.
Oh, okay. I hope it's not that far. You see on the map, how far is that?
The other ones are far, but this one is close. I don't get, why can't I take my motorbike?
It's so fucked up. Where are you gonna see?
Yeah, like I could see every waterfall on my own motorbike. Fucking, yeah, that's really dumb. I don't like that.
We already been. Why? You don't just like let us bring the motorbike. Or maybe the way it's difficult for us to drive.
Nah, fuck, it's not that bad. So far, this is okay. Because there's like 4 waterfalls in this area, and if we were on bike, we could just see them all, right?
Yeah. It's like not wasting time on the road.
Yeah, now we just have to walk and then go drive around to other spots to get there. It's stupid. Chicken! Fuck you, ayam goblok. I could drive this. I've drove worse roads than this. I guess it's because they own the land. It looks like. Ready for another big day of walking?
It's just my slippers not that comfortable to walk, that's why.
Yeah.
So make my feet hurt.
It's pretty warm, actually. Again, it's pretty warm in here.
Yeah. You can take it.
I could drive this. Let me in here. I should have just said, can I, like, I'll pay you 20K, let me take my bike in.
The problem is when we back there, we'll be fucked up.
Yeah. Careful. You had coffee, not a rock. Coffee's supposed to help. Nice flowers though. Oh.
I can't imagine on the way back.
I'll carry you.
Don't worry. I'm heavy.
I believe in you, you can make it. When you get back home after we're done this trip, you're gonna just be like laying down for 2 days sleeping and going for massage. What's that little thing? Maybe it is a long walk.
So tired. The only thing in my head is when I'm gonna arrive in the waterfall.
The only thing I'm thinking of is I should have gone on the tour on the bike to all 4 waterfalls. There's like 4 in this area. Would have been easy. Just
Sounds like when we're stuck in this, but at least like 4 hours or maybe more.
yeah.
Spend time we'll walk.
No, I'm not walking to the other ones from here. That'll take like all fucking day.
Yeah, I think it's just the same. Though.
There's waterfalls. The bike tour might have been worth it though, but yeah, I could have drove this. Fuck that guy. No, you can't bring your bike in. Fuck you, man. Fuck you. Sounds like someone got the bike tour. Yeah, I'm not moving now.
Oh, this was like a 50.
That would have been you and me. Bam, bam. Halfway. Hello. I'm sorry, I don't know why it's funny to me. Oh, you hear that? They probably used to let tourists drive their bike in here, and they just flew into the jungle and like got hurt, so they probably stopped allowing it. It's another gym day. Two leg days in a row. Oh, you can hear it though. That means we're close. Whee! Don't worry, we only have to walk back up after. Well, they have a whole village set up down here. Maybe they have a massage parlor. you can get a massage.
I don't give a fuck with anything. This is the right place. Oh, my leg is so sore. It's raining. Oh.
It's good character building. Yep, it's raining. Okay, now we're halfway there. Hello.
Thank you.
Oh, thank you. Oh shit. Oh, look, you can get motorbike transport from here. I can hear it, but 70 meters, 200 meters. We'll go this one. I find it weird though, they have like 3 people working in that desk. Do you think they really need 3 people working there? Like, gosh, we're short staffed today. There's like maybe a person that comes every hour. This is a bigger climb than I thought. Well, very nice.
There's no water in it. You can go